For presentation of our humble token of appreciation. We can have the picture po mamaya, but we'd like to request on the stage, Honorable Mayor, Mayor Mayor Isko Moreno for the awarding po of our humble of token of appreciation. Requesting on the stage to award what's this? The plaque of appreciation, representative from the Office of the Secretary of the DTI, Ms. Donalyn Lobredo, and together with our program manager here in this event, no? Nabubulo na tuloy ako. Director Dimnatang Radia. Allow me to read the citation. The DTI, Republic of the Philippines, the Department of Trade and Industry, Domestic Halal Industry Program Management Office presents the 2026 Halal Champion Award to Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno for his invaluable contribution and unwavering support to the domestic halal industry in the Philippines. Given this 27th day of May 2026, at the Cartilla ng Katipunan, Manila City Hall. Mayor, we would like to request also the our ambassadors, Her Excellency Crystal Bagatsing as well. Yes. If you are here po, Chairman Amatonding, you are also being recognized to come up on the stage. Another special citation is given as well to Honorable Vice Mayor Che Atienza, and of course the workforce behind all of this activity now that we are having here, Madam Crystal Bagatsing. Yes. She is the chairman. Okay. So give you a time for a quick photo there, and then after that to build or belt the gong. Acknowledging as well the presence of the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos in CR, who arrived now. At my count, okay, you will go three times, no? So 3 times po siya. I will be counting from here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Requesting all other concerned personnel, okay? And at the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. 3 times po, sir.
Ding dong.
Yes, 3
Ding
times.
dong.
That's okay. One more. Our VIPs will be doing the exhibit. Okay? Please give way and samahan natin yung mga VIP natin as they tour our exhibition. Once again, thank you very much for attending 2026.
Kasi gumula yung mga bisita natin.
Mayor. Sir, Mayor.
Okay yan naman. Magkano to? Ha? just the packaging. They're nationally open. This is a hydration. Metro Manila. Yeah, this time can be exported.